Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Farid and today we got a very special guest, 2011 BMW M3. This beautiful M3, today it comes to replace the aftermarket steering wheel with the original one. Plus the head unit is aftermarket and we need to put the original one back. First of all, we need to disconnect the battery. The battery is located in a booth and a driver side. So the cover is removed. We need the 10mm socket. Pull it out. And make sure it's not really close to the battery pin to accidentally connect while we remove the airbag from the steering wheel. To remove the steering wheel, we need to take the airbag off first. The airbag is connected with the two pins on each side, and each side has a hidden axis from the steering wheel. So if you turn the steering wheel, it's a one here and then one the opposite side. So they only need a screwdriver to pull the pin and automatically the airbag popped out. I already removed the airbag and I'll show you how to do it. So it has two pins here. The holes are located on each side of the steering wheel. So it's like this. So take it off, remove the connection, remove another connection here. And with T10 start link key, remove another connection, which is the ground. So technically, we pull the pin inside to release the airbag. So the next step is to remove the bolt. So make sure the steering wheel is completely straight. This is the 15mm socket. There is another connection here. It's connected to the clock spring and control all the bottom on the steering wheel. So remove this one as well. And very gently take it off. Without moving the clock spring, we need to put the new steering wheel in. This is the line on the clock spring, and this is the thread is finished here on the actual steering wheel. So these two needs to be aligned. Okay, so the new steering wheel is on. Put the socket back on. Job's done. Okay, now we install the Mr12Volts box on the M3. This one comes in a different harness. So we need to pull this one out. Just easy. This comes out. It has connection back here for the hazard light. You don't need to pull it hard, just on top of this is pin, and the other one it just popped out. And other one is for the push start. It has a 2-pin each side. Just pull and it comes out. And the second one easy. It has 3 connection, so you need to pull this one down and push the lever back all the way back, and it's popped out. Same as the other one. Just pull this one down all the way down, popped out. Move away from our job. This surround needs to be pulled out. Without first connection is out by itself, and the 2 antenna here. They only need to push this one down and it comes out. Same as the second one. The actual harness is just pull up and remove. I already removed the cover. It makes me lots of room to hide these. To run the cable from here. And obviously USB cable. You can run it to the glove box afterwards. On the original harness, it has the plug on the side. It's fiber optic. It has a little clip. We need to pull this one down and then take the optic out. And it's out. There is the fiber optic cable here. has one side 2 end and one side 1 end. Plus the one empty converter. So this one is too big. The side with the 2 head, so I pop this one in, and the cable from the car, we need to push this one into it, and other side, which is the one head, run it to the glove box. So the car harness is connected to the one side of the 12-volt box harness, which is like this. And this side, it goes to our stereo. On the shorter end of the fiber cable, it has the one that we already connected to the car, and the one is empty. So there is the plug here, so we need to pull this one out to release it and connect it to this side of the harness, which put everything back on. Again, pop it in. That's all cable comes from side of the dash, so we need to connect it to the box. For the cable and connection harness. Now I'll put the negative connection back on. Make sure it's tight enough to not move.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming projects and tech installs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.